Shit on your face, tell me what you care.
Nothing!
Walking along London, Northern Ireland, chewing a posing bloody hero, I'm just as good as you. Acting like a leader over the British Isles, seeing the papers, laughs and smiles. My message to the great one is rather bloody clear, we got enough problems of our own. Please don't come round here. I'm talking about Margaret and her wicked ways. She's the only person who'll bring back the blue bloody days. She's a depression of society, she causes desolate streets. She's the only one in my eyes I'd rather not meet. The money-grabbing politician, the Iron Lady too. She wants to destroy the working class, I think that's me and you. The hundreds of pounds she spent on her stuck-up clothes suits her bloody perfect, along with her stuck-up nose. For Christ's sakes, woman, listen to what I say. You'll be no good, you are no good, you'll be no other way. You're a reject of my society. You're way above my class. So stuff your fucking politics right up my